What's the meaning of Commission on Civil Rights? Commission on Civil Rights. Commission on Civil Rights.
Commission on Civil Rights. Commission on Civil Rights. The Commission on Civil Rights is a federal agency in the United States that was established in 1957. Its goal is to investigate claims of discrimination and ensure that civil rights laws are being enforced fairly. The Commission conducts studies and makes recommendations to the President and Congress on issues related to civil rights, including voting rights, education, housing, and employment. Through its efforts, the Commission has helped to advance civil rights in the U.S. and promote greater equality and social justice for all Americans.